Lynn, hi everyone. I'm Jonathan Desrumaux, the Earth Monitor Marketing Manager, and I'm very happy to be here today with you for this special webinar dedicated to Earth Monitor. The menu for this webinar will be consistent. We will start by a product presentation and some analytics included in this solution. Then we will see some use cases interesting for Earth Monitor. Then we will switch to the key benefits of this solution, and we will focus then on a subscription and licensing topic. And to finish, we will present a free trial offer, and we will finish with a question and Q&A session. So if you are ready, we can start. So what is Earth Monitor? Earth Monitor, in fact, is a solution built in partnership with Orbital Insight. Orbital Insight is a US company based in California and specialized in analytics for geospatial imagery. Earth Monitor is able to monitor your areas of interest across time using Airbus imagery and advanced analytic capabilities. This solution is able to run multi-temporal and multi-AOI analysis based on Airbus imagery, so based on optical imagery, 50 centimeters and 1.5 meters resolution. Earth Monitor is able also to be run on archive imagery, so past images, or tasking imagery, means future acquisition. The tasking will be included in Earth Monitor in the next weeks. Based on these images, Earth Monitor can run several algorithms, several analytics, artificial intelligence based. So we are able to run several, we're able to count several objects or detect some changes. We will see this just after. The big advantage of Earth Monitor is the capability to provide some advanced insights. For example, you can detect some changes on a map or get multi-temporal statistics and alerts. You have on the right here an overview of Earth Monitor, and the principle is really this one. In this screenshot, you can see 3 areas of interest in blue, and inside each area you can see pink point and yellow point. Each pink point, in fact, is a car detected automatically by Earth Monitor, and in yellow is a truck. So if you see this screen, you can see at the bottom of the screen two charts, two curves. The pink chart is a number of cars across time in the past, and in yellow is a number of trucks across time. So for example, in March, you can see here we have 92 cars and 54 trucks. And the principle is really this one. You can parameter several areas, and the system is able to detect, to count automatically the number of vehicles inside each area, and to add each number to provide a statistic. And of course, we have also a system of alert. For example, in April here, you can see 122 cars. And if you parameter an alert mechanism to be alerted beyond 100 cars, the Earth Monitor solution is able to alert you when the number of cars is beyond this figure. So we just saw a short introduction of Earth Monitor. Now we will see the analytics included in this solution. In fact, we propose several things. The first thing is infrastructure changes based on spot images, so 1.5 meter resolution, and Pléiades images based on 50 centimeters resolution. The infrastructure changes is able to detect any changes related to new road, new building, new houses, new earthwork, or something like that. The typical use for this is to detect and locate new construction or new settlements, or again, monitor urban change. The second analytics included in Earth Monitor is the detection and the count of cars and the detection and count of trucks. We have one analytics for each one. Aircraft will be available in the next week and will be able to detect and count automatically the number of civil planes or military planes or against helicopters. Cars, trucks, and aircraft are based on 50 centimeter resolution images, and the typical use for this is to monitor activity level over target sites or detect abnormal activity. Lastly, in terms of analytics, we will propose in the next weeks the land use and the land use changes based on spot imagery to monitor land use change or characterize urban development. So here, the system will be able to classify automatically the land use, for example, the grass, the forest, the water, the road, etc., or to detect any changes in terms of land use between two images. So to summarize here, the analytics included in the first version of Earth Monitor are infrastructure changes, cars counting, and trucks counting. Aircraft land use and land use changes will be added in the next weeks. So to create a project, in fact, is very simple. We will see this in the tool directly. So the interface is very, very simple. You have on the left here a button to create a project here. So here I want to select OK, Toulouse, and I want to count cars in this area. OK, so I click on validate. And here I have a left panel. I want to select here what I want to count. So here it's the number of cars. I click on save. Then I will enter my constraint in terms of time. So here I want to select from September last year. Okay, the 6th, perfect. And here I can to select the frequency and the time tolerance. So here it will be every 15 days with a time tolerance of 5 days for each time. And here, if I click on advanced, I can select for example, the cloud coverage. So here 30%. So it's okay on this. And here I want to select the area. So I want to select here, for example, Toulouse. Perfect. And here I will draw my AOI. So I will select, for example, very, very small area. Perfect. And here, based on this area, I can see the system here on the left is able to provide 11 images with my criteria based on 16 images available in the system. And here, the coverage is very good, around 100%. So we are able to provide something very high. If I click on coverage, I can see some blue chart here. It's the image with my criteria. And in gray, it's the other image available. If I'm okay with this, it's very simple. I just click on the run button available in the interface. So in fact, the user interface is very, very easy to use, and the analytics used behind this are very powerful. So we were able here to run a very small AOI or large territories based on Pléiades or Spot, depending your request. So we just saw a demonstration to create a project. Now we will see some use cases related to Earth Monitor, and the first is for business intelligence. Here we will see how Earth Monitor can be helpful to monitor activity level over an industrial site. So here we have an industrial site, and the context is I want to detect or count cars as an indicator of activity level or to detect specific events. So I can see here an AY in yellow, and in pink in the center, in the middle of the screen, I have an overview of a site. And on this site, I can see blue points, and each blue point, in fact, is a car. And Earth Monitor here is very interesting to automatically monitor the number of cars nearby an industrial or public site. And you can see also on the screen, you have so the detection map and also a cars count timeline to see the different number of cars across time for this area. We will see just after a short demonstration live with this. Another very interesting use case is for defense and security teams, for example, for border surveillance. In this example, we have a border, and this border has no border control and is suspected to be used for illegal activities. So we can see on the left an area on the first screenshot. If we zoom in, we have the second screenshot in the middle, and if we zoom in again, we can see a cars on the top right. In fact, the pink point in the middle of the screen is a car detected automatically by our tool. So the very interesting point here is the capability of the tool to detect vehicles in different landscapes. And here, for example, in the desert, the Earth Monitor is able to detect a car, and indeed, it's real a car. Another aspect very interesting here is the capability of the tool to aggregate the number of cars in an area. So for example, in this area, in this border area, in October 11th, we have 10 cars, and you have the system is able to provide a chart. So Earth Monitor here is very interesting to automatically monitor activity over border area, to detect, count individual vehicles and monitor activity evolution, or again to detect vehicle traces and temporary settlements. The third very interesting use case is for urban management to detect new construction. So here we have a very, very good area near the sea. And if I want to detect new construction, for example, to feed my land planners or urban planners, for example, for tax collection, law enforcement, or to monitor urban development, again, for this case, Earth Monitor is very helpful. So we have the large area on the top of the screen, and we can see some blue figures on the map. In fact, each blue figure, each blue area is an area where a change was detected. We can see on the left the first image in August 2016, and on the right the same area in August 2018. Between each two dates, this house was extended, and we can see indeed new constructions. So for this example, Earth Monitor is very interesting to automatically detect new construction and earthworks on small areas or large territories, for example, as an input for law enforcement activities if this area is forbidden for new construction. To explore Other use cases, if we look for several customer segments, for example, for defense and institutional, Earth Monitor is very interesting to monitor activity level over target site, or activate a border surveillance, or again to monitor large area or provide an analyst support. And how Earth Monitor can help you for this? Earth Monitor is able to monitor evolution of vehicle or plane counts, or to detect new settlements and vehicles in border area, or to detect new or change infrastructure. Another population very interested by this solution is local authority, to detect illegal construction or to monitor urban change or to map population. And here in these cases, Earth Monitor is very interesting to by the detection of new construction, new roads, new building, or new populated area. Location-based services and a company linked to this location-based services are can be very interested by Earth Monitor for monitoring urban development or to update database or maps. And here, in this case, Earth Monitor can detect new populated areas or to detect areas of change. And lastly, if you are in an industrial, business intelligence, or financial company, Earth Monitor can help you to monitor activity level, for example, for BI purpose, or to supervise some sites in terms of security. And here, Earth Monitor it will be useful to monitor evolution of vehicle counts or to detect new settlements in hazardous area. Very simple. Here I have the list of projects. Here I want to select, for example, the supermarket parking. So I click on this, and here in France, I have several AOI, several cities with several supermarkets. I want to select here in Purpan in Toulouse, and here I have an AOI with several blue points. Again, each blue point, in fact, is the number of cars detected automatically by Earth Monitor. And if I activate the image used by the tool to count cars, I can see indeed the number of cars. And if I play with the opacity indicator, I can detect and see indeed the number of cars. In the bottom, I can see a statistic line with several blue points. And for example, in October, I have around 600 cars. And if I click on this, I can see the image used by the tool to count the cars. I can zoom in. We are here in a 50 centimeter resolution, very high, and I can again see the details. If I click on info, I can request a download of these results. You have a message, a green message, to inform you this download is processing. When a download is ready, you click on the bell on the left, and here you have the list of several projects. You requested the results to download, and if I click on this, I can download automatically the file, and here it will be an Excel format. So we just saw here a cars counting report and how I can view this cars report and how I can download the report. Now I will show you how I can view an infrastructure changes report. Again, it's very simple. Based on the list I have here, I click on the project. So here it's Riyadh. And here I have several area. In green, in fact, each green area is an area where Earth Monitor has detected a change. If I click on visual, I can play with the opacity to see behind that. So here I can see the green area. And if I click here on the before indicator, the first image used to calculate this infrastructure change is displayed. And if I see each green area, in fact, it's just a question of change, no change. The tool is not able at this time to categorize the typology of change. Here, the green area are only a changed area. And lastly, this field here, the view, is the analytics used for this image. So here I have infrastructure change only, but if in this same, if in this area I have several analytics, for example, cars counting or trucks counting, I can select the results directly in this field. So we saw several demonstrations of this tool. Now, what are the key benefits of Earth Monitor? In fact, Earth Monitor is a very interesting product for several points. The first is a product fully integrated and fully connected to Airbus imagery. On one hand, connecting to a Living Library, daily updated in Pléiades and Spot imagery, and on the other hand, based on the tasking for specific monitoring needs, and the tasking will be available in Earth Monitor in the next weeks. The second point, very interesting for Earth Monitor, is Earth Monitor is able to run innovative and reliable analytics and embeds multiple and top-class analytic algorithms provided by Orbital Insight and Airbus. And again, all these analytics were trained, were qualified worldwide to reach a high level of accuracy, of reliability, and to be run in different landscapes. And the last point is the capabilities, very high, with a high powerful capabilities, because Earth Monitor is able to run multi-OI, multi-criteria, and multi-temporal analysis, and deliver maps, measurements, and alerts based on user-specified criteria. So the very interesting point here is the autonomy the user has in defining, running, and exploiting analysis. Because thanks to this easy-to-use web interface, the user is fully autonomous. So we just saw here some key benefits. Now, what about the subscriptions? In fact, in all this Earth Monitor subscription are available directly in the One Atlas portal, and we propose today 4 packages. The first package is Discover, around 1,200 euro per year. Then the second is a Starter with 4,000 euro per year. Standard, around 9,000 euro per year. And the last package is Advanced with 24 euro per year. For each package, you have a total area included in streaming. So here it's the AOI multiplied by the number of observation. And here, for example, for Discover, for 1,200 euro per year, you can stream and detect any changes on or count cars on an area up to 300 square kilometer in at 50 centimeter resolution, or up to 360 square kilometers at 1.5 meter resolution. And it's the same philosophy for the 3 other packages. Of course, if you are interested by an area larger than the advanced package, of course, we propose also a custom package, and for this you can contact us directly through the One Atlas platform website. One precision: each package, each subscription pack here includes the image and the computation. So for example, for the Discover, for the price you have on the screen, we provide the image based on the Living Library archive only at this time. Again, the tasking will be included in the next version. And the image is available in streaming only, no download. And based on this image, we run the algorithm. So again, for each package, we propose the image and the computation. So you can run an analysis on 300 square kilometers in Pléiades, for example, with the Discover pack. Then, in terms of licensing, in fact, it's very simple. We propose a license in two parts. The first part is a license to protect the image, so the Living Library image, for 1 year and in streaming view only. The second part of the license is to protect the report, the final results of the analysis, and it's a temporary license in streaming or download if you want to download the results. The free trial. In fact, we propose a free trial today, valid for 1 month. This free trial will be available soon. If you are interested, I will let our contact just after. And we propose some sample reports on the one hand to see in some example what Earth Monitor is able to detect. And we will also propose a few amounts you can use for on the area you want to detect or to count cars, trucks on the wherever you want. So this free trial will be available soon. If you are interested by this, you can send us an email to the address you can see on the screen, oneatlascommercialsupport@airbus.com. So you can write us today, and this email address will be included in the email you will receive in the next day after this webinar.